Thank you, Rosen and Namba. I was just out and about and just came inside. Simon is on it. He's installed a program already, and then that's the machine. And these are I think the drainage stuff is working on. So I think we are good. Rosen, see, those are your machines there. YSENMED and what do they call that thing? Centrifuge and that spinning whatever.
The rotor mixer.
Rotor mixer and everything. So Rosen, so this is our little lab at least. There's a sink. So thank you for equipping our little lab.
Thank you, Rosen.
Yes, and the other big thing is this one, the biosafety cabinet. So Rosen and Namba, we will also have to go through this one in the near future once we finish installing the biochemistry, wet biochemistry analyzer. Thanks guys.